Is Arabic really that hard to learn? You have probably heard it's one of the hardest languages over there, right? But is that the full story? What if I told you it's one of the most rewarding languages to learn and entirely worth it? Have you ever wondered how understanding Arabic can open doors in over 22 different Arabic countries, or even give you a deeper understanding of the Holy Quran? So is it really worth it? Today, we are breaking it all down. The rewards of learning Arabic, the biggest challenges, practical ways to overcome them, and resources to make it easier. And by the end, you'll see how learning Arabic is not just achievable, but it's also incredibly rewarding and it's very worth it. Let's start. Why Arabic is rewarding. So why learning Arabic is actually worth it? Here are some 7 powerful reasons that make the journey worthwhile. Reason number 1, it's the language of 22 plus countries. Arabic is spoken across more than 22 countries. Mastering it opens up incredible travel, work, and cultural opportunities throughout the Middle East and North Africa. Reason number 2 is understanding the Quran and Islam. For those who are interested in learning Islamic studies, learning Arabic gives direct access to understanding the Holy Quran and Islamic texts in their original language, a unique, deep, spiritual experience. And reason number 3 is career opportunities. Arabic skills are highly in demand as the Middle East is growing in global influence. Being fluent in Arabic can set you apart in international business, in journalism, and in media in general. Reason number 4 is scaling your business in the Middle East. If you are an entrepreneur working business, knowing Arabic can be a game changer, helping you connect authentically with the Middle Eastern markets. Reason number 5 is enhanced travel experiences. Speaking Arabic transforms travel, allowing you to connect with locals and discover some places that typical tourists might overlook. Reason number 6 is access to rich cultural significance and literature. Arabic language opened the door to ancient written texts, poetry, and literature, revealing centuries of philosophy and history from a new perspective. And reason number 7 is connection with Arabic-speaking communities. Finally, learning Arabic is about building bridges, forming connections, and gaining unique insights into the lives of millions worldwide. So these reasons are not just perks, but they are the kind of benefits that make learning Arabic an entirely game-changing experience. Overcoming common challenges in Arabic. Now let's talk about some of the common challenges in Arabic and how to overcome them. Challenge number 1 is alphabet and writing direction. First, Arabic has its own alphabet with letters that change their shape according to their position in the word. Plus, it's written from right to left, which can feel strange at first, but with a bit practice, it becomes a second nature. And the script itself is actually quite logical and beautiful once you're used to it. Challenge number 2 is pronunciation. Arabic has some unique sounds that don't exist in English, like ayn, ghayn, dha, dad. These sounds might seem a bit tricky, but it's absolutely learnable with consistent practice. It's all about practicing actually, especially when you start mimicking native speakers and using resources like audio guides. Challenge number 3 is grammar complexity. Lastly, Arabic grammar introduces a few twists like gender nouns, different verb conjugations, and a variety of plural forms. While this might sound intense, Arabic grammar has an entire structure to it. Once you get the basics, you will see patterns that make it very easier to pick up over time. Remember, each language has its own challenges. These are just stepping stones. By the right approach and a little patience, you will find these challenges disappear gradually day after day. So, if all these challenges make learning Arabic sound tough, let me reassure you that it's totally and entirely worth it. It's really worth it. Yes, the learning curve at the start may feel a little steep, but the effort pays off. The more you practice, the more manageable it becomes. And soon enough, you will notice a real progress. Plus, there are so many resources out there that make the journey much easier, from language learning apps and online courses to YouTube channels like here, Mohammad Arabic Hub, and Arabic speaking communities. You have everything you need at your fingertips. These resources help you learn at your own and make the full process feel much easier and less overwhelming. Remember, learning Arabic might feel challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With every new word or phrase, you are opening up a whole new world. Stick with it and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. So, is Arabic hard to learn? Sure, it has its own challenges. But with the right approach, a little patience, and a bit of determination, it's absolutely achievable and learnable and incredibly rewarding and worth it. Arabic opens doors to new cultures, communities, and opportunities in ways that few other languages can do it. So here we are at the end of the video. If you have enjoyed the journey through what it takes to learn Arabic and found some motivation along the way, make sure to subscribe to the channel Mohammad Arabic Hub, give a like to the video, and let me know in the comments what part of Arabic are you most excited to learn. And also don't forget to get your free copy of my book 100 Must-Know Words for Beginners. It will really help you with learning the must-know words and phrases for the Arabic language, and I'll grab the link for you in the description. Just check the link and subscribe to my newsletter Arabic Secrets and get your free copy of my book. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. مع السلامة.